Let Now we'll take a trip upstairs. It's me, Charlotte. Hello. Nancy and Carmen. One of the bedrooms. The second bedroom. Here's the master suite with a view of the Atlantic Ocean. Walk-in closet. King-size bed. All the beds are king-size. One of the largest mirrors in history. A chaise lounge. Very difficult to get out of because it's too relaxing. Patio. Balcony overlooking the pool. Again, the Atlantic Ocean. And in the distance, the town of Isabel II.